A previously undiscovered blade-shaped aquatic creature from 500 million years ago has been unearthed by a paleontologist. This remarkable find expands our knowledge of prehistoric sea life and provides insight into the evolution of marine creatures. During an excavation trip in an area renowned for its fossils, a paleontologist affiliated with the University of Kansas stumbled upon a remarkable discovery, an ancient sea worm that had never been seen before. Displaying her passion for her field, the paleontologist playfully revealed her geeky side while christening the newly found worm. During a fieldwork excursion with a team studying the geological formation known as the Spence Shale, Rhiannon Levine, a research associate affiliated with the Biodiversity Institute and Natural History Museum at the university, discovered a fossil that was estimated to be around 500 million years old. As per a press release from the university, the location of the formation is situated in the northern region of Utah and the southern vicinity of Idaho. During a recent trip, Levine recounted the experience of discovering an atypical rock. Upon splitting the rock open, Levine immediately recognized its unique nature. The most striking feature was the radial blades, which resembled either stars or flowers. After discovering it, she promptly presented it to Julian Kimmig, who was the primary author behind the investigation into the annelids. Levine recounted that the man expressed his confusion, stating, "I have never witnessed anything of that sort before." The University of Kansas reports that Levine had the unique opportunity in their career to name a fossilized worm. Levine was listed as the person who unearthed the worm and served as a co-author in the study cantered on it. Levine made a statement expressing that while he has previously participated in identifying species, this is the initial occasion that he has bestowed a name upon one. He went on to add that he was able to assign a genus to the species, which he considers a personal achievement. The scientific name of Shyholudia shurikeni was bestowed upon a newly discovered species of worm by a paleontologist who was inspired by the indigenous name for these creatures in Frank Herbert's Dune novels, the Shai-Hulud. Levine said that the first thing that popped into his head was due to his enthusiasm for the upcoming Dune films, as he identifies himself as a passionate nerd. As per the university's research, the term shuriken translates to throwing star in Japanese. This term is used to describe the rigid, blade-shaped bristles of the ancient sea worm, which are also present in numerous other annelids. According to a report by the University of Kansas, Levine and her colleagues characterized the sea worm as measuring approximately 8 centimeters in length, perhaps slightly shorter than the length of a typical smartphone. Their discovery of this fossil, which belongs to a heretofore unknown species of annelid, reveals yet another diverse phylum. This phylum consists of roughly 21,000 segmented worm species that can be found in various environments, including but not limited to marine, freshwater, and terrestrial. The findings have recently been published by the peer-reviewed Journal of Historical Biology. The fossil sample has been permanently included in the Biodiversity Institute's paleontological collection at the University of Kansas. To support our channel's growth and ensure broader awareness, kindly hit the like and subscribe buttons. This will help us reach more individuals and disseminate valuable information. Thank you in advance.